Eats. We are making sambar today. If you are new here, we do cooking videos. Want to come and check it out? We put lots of vegetables into sambar. Carrot, perwal, ashcot, brinjal, yam, drumsticks,
Cluster beans.
nice bright orange pumpkin, raw banana, peas, potato, chili, tomatoes.
Taken 1 cup soaked tuar dal and pressure cooked it well. Let's mash it and set it aside. I have crushed some ginger and garlic and made some tamarind pulp. Hing, methi seeds and mustard seeds in dry spices and some turmeric, red chili powder and sambar powder. To the tempering, we'll add some curry leaves followed with dry spices. Roast the spices well till your room fills up with the aroma and add all the veggies. We are literally making rainbow in a pot. Mix the veggies well, cover and let them cook for a while. Now add the tamarind pulp, mix and let it cook for some more minutes. It's already smelling so good. The room is filled with aromas. Now we add the cooked dal to it and let it simmer for 10 more minutes. Anahita loves to have them with hot, crispy golden dosas. What is your favorite accompaniment with the sambar? Let us know in comments.
Like and subscribe to watch more of Anahitaeats.